The MicaBeauty 4L Mini Fridge is like a personal oasis for your skincare. It's a thermo-electric cooler and warmer. This small fridge is perfect for many places. You can use it in your bedroom, dorm, or office. It even works well on a desktop. Plus, it is great for travel. The MicaBeauty 4L Mini Fridge helps keep your beauty items at the right temperature. This can help them last longer. This mini fridge has a 4-liter space inside. That's enough room for your favorite serums and masks. It can cool things down or warm them up. This makes it useful for more than just beauty. You could also keep small snacks or drinks inside. The MicaBeauty 4L Mini Fridge is quiet, so it won't bother you while you work or sleep. It's also small, so it won't take up too much space. Think of it as a tiny, versatile appliance. In conclusion, the MicaBeauty 4L Mini Fridge is a neat gadget. It's helpful for anyone who wants to keep skincare cool or warm. It's also good for small treats. Its size makes it easy to move around. While it's not a huge refrigerator, it does its job well for personal use. It's a simple way to add a touch of convenience to your day. This mini fridge could be a representative of easy storage. Pros: perfect for bedroom, great for a dorm, useful in an office, good for desktop use, also for travel. Thermo-electric, cooler and warmer, compact size, 4-liter capacity, keeps products cool. Quiet operation. Cons: may not keep items very cold, could be unreliable, might break quickly, collects condensation. Potential for leaking, cooling issues reported, logos hard to remove, no free returns. Questionable necessity, possible energy inefficiency. Features: thermo-electric cooler and warmer, perfect for bedroom, dorm, office, great for desktop and travel. 4-liter capacity, compact mini fridge, cools and warms. Removable shelf, AC/DC adapters, noiseless operation, keeps skincare fresh. The MicaBeauty Mini Skincare Refrigerator is a small, 4-liter fridge that can cool down or warm up. It's great for keeping your skincare products fresh in places like your bedroom, dorm, or office. It's also good for travel. It has a removable shelf, comes with AC/DC adapters, and works quietly. This mini fridge helps keep your beauty items cool so they might last longer. The MicaBeauty Mini Skincare Refrigerator is a small, 4-liter cooler and warmer designed for storing skincare, makeup, and snacks in places like bedrooms, dorms, offices, or while traveling. It uses a thermo-electric system to cool or warm items and operates quietly. However, some users have reported that it may not get very cold, could be unreliable, might break quickly, and can collect condensation or leak. There are also mentions of cooling issues, hard to remove logos, no free returns, and questions about its necessity and energy use.